What is the sun?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The north of France.
North from?
The north of France.
Oh, north of France.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
He likes it. He loves it.
Yeah, he loves it.
And the albergues.
No, I sleep outside.
Okay.
Oh, you sleep outside
What's
with
his name?
No, I'm everywhere.
What's her name?
Magnus
Magnus.
is a boy.
It's a boy.
Yeah.
Hey, Magnus, hello, sweetie pie. Oh.
Today we only have 13.5 kilometers.
Yeah, we don't have too much.
That's a good rest day. No, thank you. It's 6:45. 6:45. Oh, the sun's not even gonna rise for another almost hour. We need to find coffee in the town. What do you think?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't care.
This is a nice place, a nice quiet courtyard. And we really liked this place. It's a good concept. Each of these little windows has a, private room for two. It was nice. I think we go. I think you said you saw the trail this way. Ooh, I see some lights.
It's open.
It's open.
You can go.
Whee! Lots of pilgrims are coming into town. That's cute. Yeah, lots of pilgrims. Okay, sun's not quite up, but it's plenty bright out. 16, 17 kilometers to go. Yeah. Our albergue last night was $12. Not a bad price for a bunk, We have 577 kilometers to go to Santiago. 577. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Good morning, Peanut. We are just hitting the road. We've got several other pilgrims. We got 17 kilometers to go today. We're just now hitting the trail. Just had coffee. It's nature.
Yeah, but it needs to be fixed.
Coming up on a gaggle of kittens up here. I'll get you a video. Coming right at us too. Oh my goodness. You are just a I can tell. You are a stinker.
Oh, look, this one is
Hey,
cute.
sweet.
Look this face.
Yeah, okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Don't follow us.
Look, it's cute. English, the second rise to visit the English. Oh, they have a big grocery at this place. How much? This one is mine.
Yeah. blowing our nose. A lot of people have been asking me, what do you and Francine talk about all day on the trail? And aside from the normal chit-chat, you know, how long you've been married, what do you think about the semi-annual mating habits of the African bumblebee? You know, it's just normal stuff. Run into Magnus and his dad on the road. Hey, Magnus!
No, it's fine.
There he goes.
There you go.
Echo! Echo! Okay, Magnus. Okay, come on. Woohoo! Oh, look at him.
Come here. No.
He's fine. Magnus's pit stop here.
Yeah, don't touch it. I don't like this. I don't like. They have a lot over there.
We've had a very long uphill, and right at the top is a Donativo. Let's see what they have. Here we go. Here we go.
Move in, please.
We're in the Chirawina golf course, golf club, and it says welcome pilgrims, so I'm gonna get me a sandwich and a coffee con leche. Nice second breakfast here in this nice golf course, and we're gonna hit our destination in about 6 kilometers. There's Francine, she's ready.
Funny.
Woohoo!
Not bad. Not bad. I have a 10:45, but I knew I always.
Entering our town, and it what is this? Careful, careful.
It looks like beaches. It looks like beaches. Yeah, look at this.
Almost looks like an apple, almost looks like a pear. I really don't know. It's cool.
I got one.
All right.
It's funny. I don't know what's this. If I remove that, it's funny. I don't know.
Oh, what is that?
It
Oh,
looks,
now you have to eat it.
I will.
Just now entering our town. Francine says we have about 3/4 of a kilometer to go before we reach the center of town. We're just entering the historical part of the Santo Domingo de la Calzada. Tina was not able to get into my hotel, so we're going to find hers and get her all booked in. And then I have an Italian lesson later. Francine over at her albergue, and now mine's right here. It says room concept. Let's go look at it. There it is. Just 100 meters from her. Here we are.
You have arrived.
So the last